Hi everybody,
Yes,
I play
guys, I
superhero
play superhero
game.
game and
The
helicopter
helicopter chases
chases
me. I
me.
achieved
I
the
bought a
3
new gun,
stars, but I am goal achieve 5 stars.
guys.
Why?
Start this app.
This I play every game, but I am agree her game to this ads. This ad so boring and time wasteless. My helicopter crashed. Plane. Enter to pass. I go to Play
Well,
Store
this game not isn't
and
not
I click the
interested.
non-interested button
So
and
guys,
cross.
helicopter chases me, and
I
I am
bought this new
flying the
one
up where
as
the
I am
helicopter.
flying in the air.
This helicopter
You see
fires
this
on me,
helicopter.
but
This
started
this
this
helicopter
ad.
destroying me.
Sorry,
I
direct
am talking
me
about the game and started this
it,
again.
guys.
This commercial ad.
Good.
Let's see it.
Man.
Yes, guys. My
Right.
reward is
I bought gun.
stool tightening
Bullet.
tool. You see, I bought this gun and I bought this gun bullets.
Okay, guys.
Yes.
Huh?
Stay away from my
Helicopter.
wife! She likes me more!
My
This
down.
isn't fair.
My
You'll
good
regret
down.
this. I'll get my revenge.
And let's
It's time to start a new life.
start again this commercial.
Guys. Starting this commercial ad.
Let's see this commercial. This commercial ad about grocery store.
I'm seeing the cross. Not
Supermarket
interested.
Simulator 3D game.
Okay.
I click this not interested button and close the game. I stay in shop and I leave the store on the
I
few
have only
seconds.
3 bullets.
Yes. I am
Guys.
trying to destroy this car but this
My phone is I am has Nina.
Let's see this car.
You see this boring game? Only I accept.
Yes. I am in the crystal. Except. Let's see this helicopter firing me guns.
I am damaged. This
My health is down, down and down. I am up the helicopter, but I am jump the down. Yes. I am kill more 10 people and achieve the 5 stars. I am
only
kill one more person.
Guys,
One more
first
person.
level completed. I achieved
Yes.
5 stars this game.
Go, go, yes. Yes, yes. I am killed this person.
Why do you kill?
Yes. This gun is so
This area has
amazing. I am found the more people,
Yes, not.
but I
Oh,
am not
wow.
seeing more people in this area. Yeah, police
This
officer
police.
trying to kill me,
I am
but
killed one
I
policeman
am
and
killed
this person I am killed.
the police officer.
Okay. I am killed
Yes,
this person.
I kill these normal people. Yes, and
Commercial like
I
again and
completed 4
I play
stars,
this more
and
one
this
time.
commercial ad again start. Let's see this commercial ad.
This is like yes, good.
And this commercial ad is kill the suicide bomber. I am log out my person and started the bullet.
Now what?
Person killed.
I will this. Uh,
So
stop.
boring game. Pure sniper gun shooter game. I am not interested in game and I could not interest. I
I
win
am
the
killed so many person.
1500 rupees. Violators.
I see only 10 more people I killed. I am killed. But
I am
and
found
achieve
more
the 5
people to achieve
stars.
5 stars.
Oh yes, yes, I can see.
5 stars. Only 5 stars. Yes, this. I am killed this police officer. Speed. Yes, I am killed this person and another police officer trying to kill me. Options: you are about to die. Watch the ad. I am accepted. Yes. Oh, wow. Helicopter again chases me. I bought 100 diamonds.
I am high
Helicopter
this
up
safest
me,
place because my
upside me.
health is very lowest.
I am trying to kill the pilot
Okay.
of this helicopter.
Yes. I am done this way. And
I am trying to jump. I am jumping the earth. I am
shit
killed
guys,
this
I'm dead.
when this police officer and I am killed when I go. Bye bye.